Hi everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video. I had a lot of people asking me in regards with how to uh, get comps for land, and so which I know it's really difficult, but some of the ways to be able to do it. This is probably the #1 website for vacant land. So what I typically do at this point, let's just say if I want to find vacant land in Florida and happen to receive a lead from there, and let's just say it's here in Polk County, Florida. So this lists the county here. So everything's right in here. I mean, you don't necessarily need the city. You can if you do, but you kind of want to at least get at least the county. I mean, you can't get the city if you want, but the county is usually good enough. Right here, you can go into land use. Activity you really don't need because it breaks down more of the specifics with it, but really it's not that important. But you hit view properties, and so what this does really here is it brings up a listing of all different types of vacant land. And so as you can see here, it gives you an idea what prices are going for. If you truly want to narrow it down, let's just say you're only looking for anywhere from maybe 1 to maybe, let's just say 10 acres. You can put it in here, customize the sign, click go. And so this will list everything within about, within 1 to 10 acres. And so a lot of them are pretty high priced here. But at least it gives you an idea within certain areas how much how much is the value of that acre. So you're going to get prices all over the board. Here's 3 acres here for 34 40, almost 35,000. So at this point, this will give you an idea that it's going for a little bit more than 10,000 an acre. 1.25, $25,000 an acre. 2.77, $35,000 an acre. So this just gives you a better idea of what it is per acre. So if I find stuff in a certain area, I'll go ahead and I'll pick it up. Same thing, it looks like it's going for about 10,000 an acre. Here's 2 for 20,000 at that point. Some of these prices seem pretty high, but here's 2.5 acres. So we'll take a look at this one. So for example here, here's a property really out in the middle of nowhere. If you think about it, kind of gives you a breakdown, gives you another logical type of area, and this is probably the reason why 2.5 acres is only going for $2,000. So it gives you an idea of exactly where the property's at. So you can zoom in. It's right off just south of Ocala, but it's right here on the Gulf side. So that gives you an idea of the information about the property, what you can do. So this helps out, at least it gives you a better idea of what's going on with that. The other thing that I like to do, believe it or not, is I like to find people who sell vacant land, because this is another thing. If you find somebody, especially a realtor, these are probably investors here that you see, but you can find realtors sometimes. Here's one right here. Here's Linda Goodwin. If you click on her name, it pulls up her information. 40 years with Goodwin Realty. Linda has provided real estate services to clients and customers. And so this does residential sales, but she also has a lot of other different land listings. So, she could be an asset where you can give her a call and say, listen, Linda just had a question. I'm looking at, purchasing some property, selling some property there in Polk County. Could you give me an idea what the per acre price is? And I can give you an idea. So she can help you and give you information with that. So I just wanted to go ahead and cover this really quick as far as the resources concerned of what to use to go ahead and get a value of vacant land fairly quickly. Hopefully this helps, and I will talk to you here real soon again with another video. Thank you very much.